777, I would say, is a gentle giant, is a fantastic machine to fly, handles like a sports car. I love flying the 777. 777-300 is the biggest plane I've ever flown. It has a takeoff weight of 351 tons. Good morning. We are just about 1 hour to go to Nairobi. We have about 390 miles to run, and it's time to prepare for the approach into Nairobi. Now, for our preparation, first we check the status of the aircraft. Is all good for the approach and landing. There's nothing to worry about. And our configuration for landing will be normal configuration, flap 30. And the weather, Nairobi weather is very good, visibility is good, wind is light from the east, and the temperature 17, which is good. We also need to check alternate weather for Mombasa, which is also good. And when we do that, we also set the route for Mombasa. In case we need to go, we reduce the crew workload. So the descent itself will be following the chart, which is on Nairobi. Initially, we'll be descending on the profile. This is lateral navigation and vertical navigation, automatic approach all the way to Nairobi. And we'll be looking for initial approach from the chart Jomo Kenyatta 10-2U, which is valid starting from 3rd of April 2015. And it gives us the safety height around Nairobi based on November Victor VOR, which is a technical term. To the east, where we are coming from, the high ground is highest is 9,600, and to the west is to the southwest is 9,001, southeast 8,000, and northeast is 8,100, or within 25 miles of November Victor. The approach itself is straightforward. We'll be leaving the Gulf and then proceed on a 106 to Nesod. We should be there 9,100 according to our safety height on that side. And from there we proceed to MDIS 9,005. Then from there we join to Jomok. Jomok is on alignment to the ILS. And from Jomok we join the center fix of the ILS, and then from there we descend on the ILS, which will be showing on the next plate, which is 11.2.
Nairobi Control, good morning, Kenya 117.
Kenya 117, good morning, squawk 1741.
Descending.
Narita, good morning, Kenya 117, descending 200.
Kenya 117, morning, descend flight level 120.
Copy, descend 120, Kenya 117.
Okay. 200 descending. 200.
Kenya 117, descend flight level 100.
Descend 100, Kenya 117. Good morning, 5NQ, Victor call.
Check.
Victor, good morning, identified on departure, continue flying bus clear.
which is good. Are we ready?
Is correct. Those on board cylinders?
17 on board.
0 to minimums.
6 hours.
Right.
Check.
Nairobi Tower, Kenya 419, established ILS runway 06.
200.
Continue approach on 06.
Continue approaching 06, Kenya 419.
Approaching minimums.
Approaching minimums. 300. Minimums.
Check ground visual landing.
200. $100. 50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
Two reverse is normal. Auto brake disarmed.
Kenya
80 knots.
117. Locate right, take on go.
I'm calling you again, your call sign.
Kenya 861 on Echo Journey Golf. We are flying Kilo Zulu Alpha from Bangkok with 1 passengers and 1 0 crew. Kenya 861.
Continue taxiing, you'll enter the apron by Juliet or Juliet 5.
Juliet 5, Kenya 861.
Really, it was I really enjoyed it myself, and the captain made a very good landing. So very good to him.
It was an enjoyable flight. It was nice to have you with us, Mr. Udo, and thank you also the co-pilot for your work. And I hope everybody enjoyed the flight today. Wish you all a very good day in Nairobi, and Mr. Udo, enjoy yourself. Thank you.